Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and I want to look at Netflix. Here's why. This is only going to take a sec because we're trading this puppy live tomorrow. We are getting online at 9 o'clock Eastern, 6 o'clock Pacific for the specific purpose of trading Netflix. And so I want you to be there. If you're a member, just show up. You'll have the link. If you're not a member, I suggest joining because here's the thing. I want to make you money. It's the only reason we're doing this. There's going to be a lot of teaching involved. I get that. There always is. However, I'm really focused on making money, and we're going to look at VWAP, pivot points, implied moves, all of that stuff. And as I was working on some other things, we're actually doing a webinar with Bridget, definitely by the time you're watching this video. But this is what's happened with the stock. It's going a little bonkers, after hours after they reported. According to the people on our website, they had strong revenues and earnings, in line, but they didn't crush. They gave strong guidance. So all of that's well and good, but here's my sense right off the bat. My bet is I'm hoping that it gaps up here, because this could turn out to be a good short tomorrow. I have no way of knowing that, and there's one thing that's for sure. The trend is your friend. The trend is an uptrend, but we're not thinking about that tomorrow. We're thinking about day trading. So anyway, look, that's all I got. We're actually starting the webinar. You might hear it in the background here. So I got to run, but I want you in on this tomorrow morning, okay? All right, I'll see you then.